Thanks for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today we'll be giving you Guardian update of Sprint 54, which lasted from December 11 to December 22nd. So just a quick overview of the agenda. We'll be looking at the roadmap. We'll also be talking about the issues that we tackled in Sprint 54. Then we'll be flipping over and giving you a short demo on Sprint 54. Then we will be actually talking about ahead of a week of December 25th, which is Sprint 55. We'll also be talking about the issues that we'll be tackling in Sprint 55. We'll be also talking about the upcoming releases. And we will be giving you some of the ways that you can either submit bugs or policy requests through various different channels. So just a quick overview of the Guardian roadmap. We are continuing our work on business user policy development feature. We are working on the post-minting data enrichment for issued tokens. We are working on the geographic raster imagery support in Guardian. And we are also working on the implement discontinuing policy workflow. So talking about Sprint 54, so in Sprint 54, we actually committed to 44 story points and we delivered 21 story points, which include some of the bugs, which is 2997, which is Guardian policy get API returns empty data when the remaining pieces of data is more than 200 or when the awaiting approval data is more than 100. We also worked on Vera VM0041 webinar. We worked on 2991, which is resizing of policy configurator. Now let's look at a demo of Sprint 54. So currently each component in Policy Configurator is fixed and we'll be having responsive issues due to different system configurations. So in order to solve that, we have actually implemented a new UI feature for Policy Configurator. As you can see, I have imported two of the policies, which is CDM AMS3BB and IREC4. Now, before publishing, it's in the draft mode. I can click on the policy configuration icon. So as you can see, when I click on the policy configurator, I get the policy configuration where we see all the blocks related to CDM AMS VBB. So the part what we have implemented here is you can actually resize all the components currently present in the policy configurator. So as you can see, we have a block section component on the left side. So currently it was fixed, but now you are able to extend it and then you can see if all the components are visible, or you can also drag and position this to another space. You can do a resizing of all the components, which is description, roles, groups, and you can also move this back to the original position. So this is a new UI element what we have added in our Guardian so that it actually accepts and is useful and is actually valid for all the configurations of system being used by all the community. In addition to that, we have also implemented Vera VM0041. If you just go to github.com/hashgraph/guardian, and when you go to methodology library, in that you have a Vera red and Vera folder. When you get there, you can see actually VM0041 complete documentation of the policy, and also you can see a policy file and a schema design file and a README where you can actually see a step-by-step process of how to execute the policy and a workflow according to it. So that was a quick demo of Sprint 54. Now looking at Sprint 50, which will be lasting from December 25th to January 5th. Currently, we are committing to 38 story point, which includes 1886, which is policy equivalence assessment based on their execution results. We also we'll be fixing some of the bugs, which is 2908, which is incorrect behavior of policies with issues during the status change. We will be working on some of the CDM policies, which is 2882, 2880, and 2883. Talking about the upcoming releases, our last release was on Thursday, November 30th, 2023. Our next release will be on Tuesday, December 28, 2023. So there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find some bugs, please go ahead and mention those bugs with us so that we can get a theme on it. Also, if you haven't joined our Discord, come and join our conversation at hedera.com/Discord. And when you get there, search for sustainability channel. Or feel free to reach out to us directly if you have any policy requests by emailing us at info@envisionblockchain.com or visiting our website at www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a great day.